A classic A-class going down Swanson Street.
Classic Z.
Oh, classic Z, beg your pardon. There's another classic Z coming up now on the route 64.
Big 2065.
Beautiful Z on Valentine's Day. Good one when I
class, that one.
Oh, sorry, B class going down Swanson Street on Valentine's Day. But I think you better film it. I'm getting the tram gone.
Comes to Z3 168 on Swanson Street. We got W sitting there. There it goes. City Circle. They always cut out in this corner here. Good MMTB W class tram. Arrived in this tram, this clean line in Melbourne. I haven't seen tram for about 2 months now. I intend to film inside as well. Anyway, I'll take the camera down. At this stop, you don't have to touch film because it's 3 times on. Make our fast book street so you'll figure out. Now I'm going to pull the rod and clear the lights. May go as far as Burke Street Mall. This is B2115.
Free trams. Trips entirely within this zone are free, so you don't need to touch on your Mikey.
It comes up with that when you enter the free zone. All I do is go on the other side, there's another tram back up. Hopefully it's dead on the other side. Comes via the B class trams on Swanson Street and the corner of Burke Street. Here comes one of the 1970s Z-Class trams in Melbourne CBD. I'm not familiar also on the other. I'm actually going to try and jump on this one, get the camera rolling and show you the inside. Actually, the one at the back might be a better chance. Yep, the one at the back's a bit more better. I'll try and jump on anyway. You can go on first. I may have to go for the next stop. Back in the 70s, this door would have been for entrance use only, not exiting, but now you can exit in on all the doors.
Yeah, so where's the big studio? Maybe I'll record something like, because I think this is like a big TV campus. Yeah,
Next stop is Melbourne Central Station. It's the N3 door.
You were right, Mum, it is the peak hour. The Zeds are backing up here. We're going to take this thing on this yeah, I might. No, we're over at 8 o'clock, we get the 9-foot train back to Geelong. Well, the 96, 86 to the A class. Two Z's coming. No, there's 3 of them. The alignment is about 4 Z's in alignment. What's this one then? It's 957 in the MMTB. Looks like it's 957, so it's the same destination. 946. 946. W8946. Here comes the city circle. W8946.
Replacing all the brown.
Z class is in Swanson Street. We're going to be stuck behind the Z for 10 minutes. There goes the city circle. That's crossing Collins Street. Here comes B22033 in the new PTV livery. At Docklands Park. And B22119 in the advertising car library. And there's the B class. Oh, you've gone for 10 minutes, I'll go to the work. I'm looking at that stage. You take the film that B class. It's already recording. Just film it going past and press the record button. There's a W coming on the far hand side. Let's get that recording.
W class tram and pass, route 35, model 957.
Comes a B class in the advertising library again. That's just Collins Street down here. Whether this line is Collins Street, this is the Harbour Espionage. There goes the 48 route. Over there, crossing Harbour Espionage. Can I have your battery charger thing that plugs into the side?
No, you can't. I want to be definitely.
I've only got one bar left on my camera.
I want to be the can't be charged for your phone.
Well, we just use it once and all. Get it back on the next.
I've only got a few faster and I need it.
Oh, it's B68, look. It's B68. B2068, I should say. It sounds like a train when I say it that way. It's B2029 in the advertising car liveries. That's what makes it go. That thing on the roof makes the contact to the wire, and that makes the tram go. The San Francisco cable cars get a cable from the bottom on the tracks. I'm hoping B2020 goes faster than that. Here comes the number 48. But I finally wondered if they run these trams on this route, but I just seen something was not common but they don't say they don't run on this. But this is a B class on the number 11. I've seen like low 4 cars run all day on this route, but this is a B on number 11. Oh, there's also 2 of them. I saw 2 of them before. I'm going to see if the other one will come. There's a B class on number 11 West Preston line. Did you say where it is? West Preston 2084. Goes a B class refurbished unit and the PWI will be going up. I've just noticed again there's a B class on number 11 on going on Collins, but I thought I'll show you this because it's not common. Pretty rare nowadays because I usually run the new much modern trams on it, but B class number 11. Awesome. B2 class 2058 on the number 11. Here comes a B class advertising car 2119 returning to Belmont South. There's no one going around the corner. I feel this one come on way for it to go. Here comes, I'll film these 2 and you'll see the advertising car past them. B2046 and the regular Yarra Tram Ivory. And another one behind it, same Ivory. Is that one? There's a B class just there. B253 and there's an A class on the far side track. Neither stop this one didn't stop, so here comes A251 or A151, whatever one this is. I'll put the tram names in the description on the video. Here comes a B2 class, not sure what number it is, it's not on the windscreen. 2008. And B229's on that side there. And there's another B there, it's 2048. In the advertising Ivory. And the Kia advertising Ivory. We're stopping at Docklands Park. And B229's on the other side of that tree, you're not going to see it now. This is a good price from the tram. Sam, the Zs don't go past you, isn't it? Well, they do go past. We have another B returning to Flinders Street Station via Wattle Park by Flinders, number 70. Via Swanton Street as well. Speed to 046. Behind the tree, you're not going to see it now because there's a tree in the way. And because the tram's over there, it stops there. And also waiting for that tram to come as well. I'm having success so far with City Circle. Comes the A-Class Tram on Waterfront City Docklands 70 route 271. Almost converted to panel operation because they usually used to have trolley poles on the roof. Some do have their mains, but this one, particular one doesn't. Well, probably does, probably just behind the advertising. This one's got a door failure. Look, Mum, it's got a fail with the door, look. The tram's locked, door's jamming, look. Look at the tram doors stuck open, look. There goes the tram now, the door's failed. That's the second one in about 20 minutes I've seen fail. I was over there at the time on the corner of the stop and one of the other A-classes failed, and here comes A277 on the route 70. We're going to Harbour. I'm going to Docklands Drive. A plan always backfires when you wanted to film something. I came over the city circles and nothing's showed up as city circle for the last half hour. Oh look, there's a Vegemite tram, Mum. You see when you videotape this one, look. I'll give you the film. Here comes the Vegemite advertising car. 2093 on the 75 through Harbour Lodge. But how I zoomed out the camera. Amazing until another couple of minutes and I'm going to give up on the city circles. As you've introduced in Geelong. Here goes the 48, it's crossing the street and waiting for the city circles on. Crossing. Here goes that tram. I thought I'll film that as well because I haven't filmed one of them yet. Here comes the Kia advertising car. B2048 again. Returning to whatever this goes to, what the tram route, what the 40, what the D number 78 is now. 78, what is 78? I mean 70, 5. Oh, Belmont South. This tram from the 1990s. Comes the W8 City Circle 1010 on the and clockwise, Mum. Here goes 101. The first time I've seen it today actually in Melbourne. Ignore the noise in the background because I'm actually near Docklands Park, so that's why you hear all the kids screaming in the background. Here goes W8 1010 and the MMTB ivory, green and yellow. Tram again with the red trams and turning them to MMTB. That's what W's, the rest of the red W's will end up as. The rest of the red W's when they're stored in South Bank will be turned to MTB, like that. Comes the B class, B20 78.6 on 75. Ignore the tin being, the sound of the stones being.
Ladybird now dropped it down there.
Yeah. Ignore the noise of stones being dropped on metal. It's just toddlers throwing stones on the metal slide behind me. Now here comes a B2037 in the new PTV ivory. It says 78 Etihad Stadium. What's going tonight on the Etihad Stadium then, Mum? Are they doing 78 to Etihad Stadium? What's that going on again? Now there's a B cost there, but you're not going to see the number because it's behind the tree. B2053, the older ivory. I believe that's the Mark 4 ivory or the Mark 3, I can't remember. There's that one over there as well. Here comes the one on the W8 946 on the city circle via Flinders Street anti-clockwise circle. Recently W class had trolley poles and used to be on each end of the tram, what used to go contact the wire. They got with them in the 80s. They came out with new idea putting pantographs and everything. And they got replaced all the W pantographs, trolley poles with pantographs. So all the time you see now is all that. And this one's in the MMTB. M and MTB I should say. Green and yellow ivory. What I just found out, the red trams, what used to be in Melbourne, will be changed to the MTB W8s. Like this. It's a nice old logo there. I'm actually at Docklands Park. I might show the park, just about showing the kids, but I'll probably show the park. More? And there goes the city circle tram going towards Flinders Street Station. It does say Flinders Street Station, but that's by mistake.
Son, it's getting bloody hot.
I think that wraps it up for the filming trams at Docklands Park, but I'll wait till it gets around the corner first. These are the last of what they run of W's. And I'm actually filming near the park, as you can see. I'm actually on the thing. There's a bit of a stake. I think you can actually look up here, but this is actually on top of the toilet block. But that's the end of the video. Here comes the B class on the number 11 route.
This service
This is a very uncommon mix of tram. It's usually like low floor.
The only one,